Welcome back to BotQueen's AI Hub. I'm your host, Caitlen Macias, and in this video, we're going to be showing you how to leverage and use Microsoft Copilot Premium as a nonprofit. Let's get started. So the first step in this workflow is to identify what we want to delegate to AI. So I have a meeting that's coming up on August 2nd, and I want Copilot to be able to create me an agenda for this meeting. So the first step is I'm going to go to this plus button. I'm going to go to Compose, Word document. And then I'm going to create a prompt. Draft a meeting agenda document for a meeting on August 2nd between John Smith, myself, and Carrie Brown. Include these agenda items. You don't have to be perfect on spelling. Number one, review the budget for the gala from last year. Discuss themes for this year and talk about increase in ticket price. Confirm venue and catering. Make sure agenda is concise but includes details below each action item. All right, then I'm going to click Submit. All right, now let's see what it completed. All right, I'm going to open this up and check out my gala planning meeting agenda. So then I can go ahead and either continue to refine the document here, or I can just go ahead and open it up in Word. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And as you can see with Copilot Premium, I have the summary up on top. It tells me that the planning meeting for the annual gala is scheduled for Sunday, August 2nd. We're going to be reviewing these different kinds of items, as you can see. And then let's check back in one moment after August 2nd when I've put in some of the action items and we've completed the meeting. All right, so now we've had our meeting, and so as you can see in red are all the notes that we took at the meeting, and we even confirmed who's going to be in charge of what. So for example, John is in charge of confirming with the Breakers Hotel and signing the contract and putting in the deposit. So now I'm going to go into Copilot, this icon right here, and I'm going to chat with it and ask it, can you tell me a summary of this meeting and who is in charge of what action item? So it's looking and it's saying that the committee reviewed the prior gala's budget and established a fundraising goal of $400,000. Previous expenses were noted as $95,000, and then we approved the ticket pricing, and like you can see that there's different items, and then there's some things that we didn't assign and didn't follow up on. So now let's say that I even wanted to make changes to the document. For example, I want to delete the line below the $95,000 of expenses. Entire bullet. As you can see, it deleted that entire line. I want to change the text from blue to black on the lines for each So it actually uses the plan feature here and is telling me what it's doing. So it's changing all of these from blue to black. Love it. Done. I'm going to go back into chat, and I'm going to say, draft an email to John and Carrie with a summary of this meeting and what they have to do next. All right, so then it gives me the subject, the body of the email, the event highlights, tagging this specific document that we worked on, and all the action items. And so I can actually copy and paste this response into an email and send it out to my colleagues. And now we just made gala planning a lot easier. Check back in later for another example workflow. Thanks, everybody.